Hi everyone, I'm Domingo from Newisk, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing AI tools that will allow you to make wallpapers like this with a great resolution, get ideas to remodel your house, or even the possibility to create videos like this. The first tool that I want to show you, I've been using it since the beginning of the video, since my actual voice sounds like this. But I can improve it with Adobe Enhance. You simply search for Adobe Podcast Enhance, and on this webpage, you upload the audio clip that you want to improve, and then your audio will go from this to get a much better quality. This is still a free service, so use it while you can. Another tool that you should try, it's called Leonardo AI. This website is an image generator based on text that you give it. And as you can see, you will be able to get some pretty cool images. To create them, you simply type the prompt, something like Dragon Dark Souls style, and then you configure some settings of the image, and the end result is usually good. Unlike Midjourney, on this one you have 150 tokens per day that you can use to create various images. And because of the sidebar, with all the adjustments, I believe it's a lot easier to learn and to get the images that you really want. Still, one problem that I have with both platforms is the final resolution of the images, since many times this resolution is not the best, and if I use the wallpaper on my phone, I think it's quite noticeable. So I've been looking for some AI tools that could help me increase the resolution of images, and I found two. The first one is called BigGPG, which gives you some free option, but it's quite slow, and the final result, well, it's good. But then I found this one from Replicate, in which I upload the image, I then choose the scale factor, and when it's done, well, it will blow your mind with the excellent quality it gives you. But do you remember at the beginning of the video when I show you this? You can actually do it in several ways, but the easiest that I found, it's with a website called Kyber. You just sign up and wait for them to give you access. And then, by simply uploading a photo and describing what you want and the style of the artwork, the system will create the video for you. Rather than making a full video with this tool, I believe it's quite interesting when you want to highlight a product or simply give it a more creative touch to your video. Something like you've been seeing from this video of Luciano Bongiorno. Another tool that can enhance your videos is Rask AI. On this website, you upload the video that you want to translate, you choose the language, and after a few minutes, the translation will be done.
Vous pouvez ainsi traduire facilement vos vidéos dans d'autres langues, mais comme vous pouvez le voir, mes lèvres ne sont pas en phase avec ce que je dis, et cela peut être un peu bizarre.
When they're able to do it, I will think about it, but until then, I want to show you another AI tool that actually does something similar. With 11 Labs, you can choose a voice, change some tone settings, and then type what you want it to say.
The end result will look something like this, where you practically have a robot with a human voice reading what you want for you.
Another option you have is to clone your own voice. Although, as you are hearing right now, it still has some room for improvement. The next AI tool that I want to share with you was specifically created for writers. It's called Lexpage, and it's basically a text editor where you can write whatever you want. But because it's integrated with ChatGPT 4, allows you to execute some commands, like it will continue typing for you, which is ideal if you have a blockage, or to give you feedback on what you have written so far. It is true that you can do something similar with ChatGPT, but I believe that the minimalist design and the integration with ChatGPT 4, it just makes it a little bit more comfortable to write on. And the last tool that I want to show you, it will give you some crazy ideas of how you can change the look of your house. For example, I took a photo of this room, and then in Reimagine, the system analyzes the elements of the floor plan and allows you to choose a style, the color preferences, and instructions that you have. Then it will do its job and show you 3 final proposals that will help you change the look of your house. It is not a perfect system, but the fact that it can give you ideas on the space that you have where you live, and you can see the changes so easily and fast, well, I think that's quite cool. There is another one that it's called Room GPT, which is also pretty good, but is not free. However, if you sign up right now, for example, you get 3 free credits that you can use on 3 different photos. So you may as well use it. There were many other AI tools that I've tried, but this one seemed to be the most interesting one. But if you know any other one, you can leave it at the comments, and if you like this video, just hit a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao!